Hi dear students, this is Suchya SST teacher, and now I am about to pick up the 5th chapter of Civics class 8th, and the name of the chapter is Judiciary. In the previous chapters, you've read about rule of law. That is, the law enforces on everybody in an equal manner, and all of us are equal in the eyes of law. But then who is responsible for safeguarding this? Who looks after that the law is enforced properly, there is no encroachment, and the people are satisfied and happy about the law enforcement? For this, we have the judiciary in the country. Judiciary, which is a system of network of courts in the country, ranging from the lower to the higher court. But before we discuss in detail about the various courts in the country, let's talk about the functions of judiciary. The first function of judiciary is dispute resolution. Dispute means whenever there is a conflict, resolution to find out a solution. So whenever any person, that is two people or people versus state, or two states of the country, or a state and the central government have a conflict over an issue, it is the judiciary which has to decide as to who is correct. Therefore, the foremost function of judiciary is dispute resolution. The second function of judiciary is judicial review. Review means to look into something again. Supposing the parliament passes certain law and judiciary feels that it is against or it is in violation of the basic structure of the constitution of the country, then it can altogether order for the abolishment of such a law. This is called as judicial review. That is, they'll have to keep reviewing every new law which is passed in the country. The third important function of the judiciary is upholding law and enforcing fundamental rights. The Indian citizens have been granted fundamental rights according to the citizens' rights, that is, the Constitution of India has given it to them. And we have to see that these fundamental rights are never encroached upon. They are properly given to us by the government. And for this, it is the duty of the judiciary to look into it. We can pick up an example of Hakim Shah, who fell down from the running train and was badly hurt. He had gone to various hospitals and dispensaries who refused to admit him. Therefore, the judiciary ordered the West Bengal government to first of all give compensation to Hakim Shah for all the losses that he had to bear. Besides, it also ordered that the West Bengal government should come out with a blueprint for their hospitals and dispensaries as to how they have to deal with people in emergency. Now, this comes under the Article 21 of the Constitution. And Article 21 of the Constitution is right to life. Right to life, that is, the government has to provide everything that is essential for the survival of human beings, or rather the citizens of its country.